Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify account on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you would like to get a Spotify subscription or any other for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which will send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it saves you a lot of money by subscribing to the same subscription under the same account with other people sharing the password like one big family. So for example, once you go here, all you have to do is sign up, and as you can see, Spotify is right here, where you can click on purchase now, and it can offer you for 6 months only for 20 euros rather than for 50. And then for the promo code, just simply click here and write gummy, and then click on apply to get 5% off and the best price possible. Now to sign up for Spotify on your mobile device, traditionally all you have to do is search for spotify.com on your website, and then from here it will send you to this right here. Now it will tell you to open the app, so you're going to have to go to the Play Store or the App Store, and from here you're going to download the app. Now to log in for the app, you're going to have to create your account, so from here go to the top right dashes and then click on sign up. Now once you click on sign up, you're going to go with Google and then or any other email account that you would prefer, and select whatever you would like to sign up with. And once you click on continue and agree to all the terms, it will tell you if this email is connected already or not. And then from here it will tell you to finish creating your account, which is going to fill all the information. Then please fill all the same menus and then agree to the Spotify terms and conditions. And then once you click on continue, it's going to sign you up for a brand new account, and there you go, now you have it. Now if you would like to subscribe for the premium, then you can click on view all plans, and as you can see, most plans are going to be a bit more expensive than the one we showed you at the start of the video, but you can choose whatever one is premium and that is comfortable for you. So you have for single premium or duo, or for 4 people, or for family of 6. And so from here you can select the premium one, normal one, and it will offer you the first month for free, and then you can click on it and then sign up, fill in your information, and then use the same account to log into the application. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.